What's up, YouTube? Today I got a jam-packed video for you guys. I'm going to teach you some tricks of the trade as it relates to knocking your plays out the park on a day. So please do me a favor and take some notes. Listen, guys, by now, if you've been in the game at least since 2020, because of this bear market and this recession, some of your gains, if not all of your gains that you have accumulated, may have being wiped out by now. They may be all gone by now, but that's neither here nor there, guys. Not only can one good run, one good year make it all back, but learning to trade can do the same thing. I'm going to teach you guys some tricks of the trade on the day. Put these in your notes and remember them on your journey. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, class is in session, and so I want you to follow along closely with what I'm about to teach you today. Okay, I'm gonna try to be as detailed as possible so that you guys can get the gist of these setups and these patterns and how to take advantage of them for yourself. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I have Tesla pulled up. All right, and let me just zoom this in. Okay, I'm using Yahoo Finance. But I got the 5-minute chart pulled up just so you know, okay? And I'm going to teach you a couple things, all right? This right here, okay, you always want to have your 200 EMA established on your chart, okay? So right here, when you have your 200 EMA, all right? Because you're going to notice with the example I'm going to give you today, although it overshot right here, what Tesla tried to do was bounce off the 200, okay? And this is called a gap up right here, okay? It was down low and then it gapped up to here on this particular day. This was yesterday, okay? Now check this out. What I want to show you guys is this right here. Okay, let me move this out the way. I'm using the 13 and a 48 EMA, okay? When a stock is going up, and this is the 13, this purple line is the 13. Okay, let me just write this for you. Okay, 13. When you see that the candles are away from, when you see all this space right here, that lets you know you got a strong move up. The move is going to continue in an upward trend. This is a little trick in the trade. I very seldom hear people, I've never heard nobody tell you guys this, okay? So if you ever wonder, Chris, how do I know if my stock is going to keep going up? When you have distance between the candles and that EMA, that moving average, okay, that's a sign right there that you have more room to whatever direction the stock is going. In this example, it's going to the upside, okay? So then, guys, I always tell you about a strong move up. Let me write this out for you. Strong move up. Boom. You have this strong move here. Remember, all strong moves will retest, right? They come down and then they go back to test that same level, okay? And then right here, notice how when it hits this, it finally touched this line right here. And so that's a quick play for you guys if you want to lock in some profit or just develop pattern recognition, okay? It broke through a tad bit on the 5-minute, but because it's in an upward trend, it regained and came back up, okay? But look at what it made, okay? It made what we call a double top or a triple top, okay? And because it made that, look what proceeded to happen, okay? Now, ultimately, this right here, this box that I'm drawing, this is called chop, okay? We like to avoid chop, okay? Because it burns your premium. So all this movement right here, when Tesla was just trading sideways, you want to, if you can, avoid it. But if you were already in at the double top level, you might be okay because you will be in profit. But if you can get in around where this begins to fall, and look at this, the 13 down here crossed the 48 and went to the upside. Here, the 13 crossed the 48 and it went down, okay? Look right here on that cross, okay? And so this began that downward move. Okay, you had this downward flush. But what pattern did this make? This is what gave you your double bottom. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, this gave you that double bottom. Number 1 was here. Number 2 was right there. Okay, and so that led to this move up right here. Okay, and so notice, I'm a clear some of this out the way. Notice that, matter of fact, I'll move this over for you. Let me pull this one up, okay? Notice here, guys, like I said earlier, when the play start to go down, you knew the move down. Look at the space between the candle and the EMA, okay? The moving average. This is the 13, okay? And so this led to, this is a gap down now, okay? So it ended here. It had chop here, and it had some more chop here after this fall, just trading sideways, okay? But check this out, guys. You had the move, the gap down, but you knew the move was going to continue down because of the space in between the charts, okay? And then look, guys, a lot of these strong moves down, okay? A lot of these strong moves down creates that double bottom, okay? 1 and 2. You always want to buy on number 2, okay? Number 2 is where you want to get in at, because you want to use this number 1 level to see the test, see where it went to, okay? Then once it come back down, you know you have the all clear to jump in, and then boom, ride this up. Let me just take profits right here, okay? And then if you guys are able to do that, sure enough, boom, you are able to successfully not only navigate the move up, the move down. You're able to recognize the patterns, especially a double bottom, because what I like about the double bottom, that's where we buy calls. So if a stock hits support, or if a stock forms a double bottom, a lot of times if it bounces, you gotta always react, because sometimes it can fall through. So just because it hits support don't mean it's gonna bounce every time. But when it does bounce, you want to wait for a 2 test confirmation. Like I always draw number 1 and number 2, because that second touch is where I like to get in at. And you will notice your premiums, when you in the play, your numbers just skyrocket up. Okay, you guys see when I show you my screenshots on my plays, if I buy it at 59 cent, it's at 69 cent or 78 cent, because it rockets up off that level. Because technically, once it hits a double bottom, it always leads to a launch if it's going to make the move to the upside, okay? Now, sometimes they fail. Sometimes the news come out. Sometimes some breaking announcements may happen. Russia, Ukraine, or Fed Powell, or someone may speak and say something that throws a monkey wrench in the market, okay? So sometimes your TA can get invalidated when things happen. But 9 times out of 10, if it's an ideal situation, guys, you can follow this stuff to a T. So really quickly, a quick recap. If on your moving averages, okay, I use the 13 and the 48 for example, but you can use the 20 and the 50, you can use the 9 EMA, the 7 EMA, the 21 EMA. It's all the same, guys. You just got to find what you like, okay? There's no right or wrong. There's nobody that's invented none of this stuff. It's all the same. I can pull up any chart and make the same amount of money using any indicators, because once you learn it, the game is the same, okay? But check it out. When you notice that you have space in between the candlesticks and the EMA, you know you still got more room to whatever direction that's going. That's one indicator I want you guys to pick up on, okay? And then once they start to touch the line, okay, now you have to be thinking about, okay, did it break the line? Did it get rejected off the line? Things like that. And I'll start teaching you guys some trading patterns and some time frames for if you have a 9 to 5, if you are work in a beauty salon, if you cut hair, if you're a truck driver, if you're a traveling nurse, because there's other things you guys can do too to take advantage of all of these things, okay? But again, when you start to see these things develop in your charts and you start to recognize these patterns, you can be more confident in what you're doing. You can be more confident in the move. Or when we say stuff like the trend is your friend, you can know, okay, the trend is going down right now and it's going to keep going down because I noticed a little space in between the moving average and the candles. Okay, that's just a little nugget, little trick of the trade, guys. I'm not winning at this clip for no reason. Okay, these are little things that I just picked up along the way. Okay, everybody has their style. It's a bunch of great traders, so I salute everybody doing their thing. I'm firmly confident in what I do, though. Okay, and so it might be unorthodox, it might not even line up with what you might see out there. Okay, but again, I love to show up every day, show you my results, because my results is everything that I show you and teach you every single day, and that's the difference. Okay, listen guys, hope this was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.